Hi, Bran. I'm going to fry egg with chicken. Okay, so look at that. This egg. Okay, and this one is egg. So I don't know how to. Okay, you can see it, right? Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to fry egg with the chicken with egg. So I'm going to put the oil. Okay. So you have to make the pan a little bit hard to make sure that it won't be stick together. Okay, you have to make let the um, the oil um, get hard. Then I'm going to put the chicken in the egg and make a fry. Okay. Well, I have to use a hand for that to make sure that won't be drop. Okay, so whatever left over I will be finished there. So now it's too full. Okay. So look at that. It will be like this. Okay. I don't know. So cannot see it. Okay. Anyway. So let the egg and that fry together to make sure that can stay together. Okay. It's easy to do it. It's not hard to do that. Okay, when you're done that, then you just put away and you put another one to get in. I think I put too much oil That's why it's hard to um, okay. So another one just done.